This is H&K Living Life. If you'd like to see more of our adventures, just click the subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications of new videos. Alright. It's Friday morning, Friday the 13th. And we're headed to Salmon Lake this morning after a stop at the Harris County Courthouse to get tags for the trailer. Stay tuned. Alrighty, we're all packed up, spare tires in place, all hooked up, wrapped up, ready to go. So, bugs have been quite the challenge on this little trip up here. We got about 10 to 15 miles left to go. We should be pulling up to Salmon Lake.
Okay, we just pulled into Salmon Lake. And when we pulled in, it looks like a small town from the Old West. And this is the main office. Pretty neat. So as soon as Harold comes back out, we check in, we'll show you around.
Well, we made it. Salmon Lake. Camping and events. Here's a quick walk around of our camp. There, Katrina and Azizi. We got one of our walls up on our bat wing awning. There's Timmy's Solar Possibilities over there. Group across the road. The other side. Camp setup, kitchen setup this time around. We'll probably change it next time we come out. And we'll go for a walk around and show you some of the stuff around this place a little later. What you got cooking over here, dear?
I am mixing. It's chicken turkey with mushrooms and onion and sweet peppers and potatoes.
Oh, smells good. I know you can't smell it on this video, but trust me, it smells good. Well, carry on, dear.
Okay, thank you.
Coffee. Sourdough French toast and turkey sausage patties.
Hi, Jimmy D. And
What?
they are fully cooked.
What's for breakfast?
Yep.
By my beautiful cook, Katrina. Hey.
Hi.
Yeah, our griddle quit on us this morning for some reason, so we took the top off of it. It's on a Coleman stove. Adapt and overcome.
That's right. It's all good.
And the finished product.
Well, it's about lunchtime, so I am making up some quesadillas. So right now I'm doing my vegetables. So I've got a little bit of onion and bell pepper and some seasoning. And then I'm going to add my chicken that's already cooked, right here, and some mozzarella cheese, and some guacamole. It should be pretty good.
So the unique thing about this place is the owners, over time, have brought these buildings in. They'll find these old buildings one by one, and they bring them in, and they built this little town. So we'll go along here and take a peek at all the different little town buildings here.
Oh, and you can sleep in them.
Some of these, yes, you can rent them out as a room. They also have cabins here. They got some immaculate restrooms and showers for those that don't have those facilities in your campers. And here's a couple of little buildings. And here's one set of restrooms right here. And if nobody's in the other ones, I'll show you the new ones they just built. We'll go in and do a video of inside if there's nobody in there. There's an old railroad station, depot. So you can see the AC units in there, so if you want to rent that, it's cabin 12 there. And right there's a town hall. That's where we'll be having our dinner tomorrow night. We have our gatherings. And there's some more of the campsites. There's a building here they call the White Mule Saloon. It's also a cabin. See number 11 on there. So all these have numbers on them. Places that you can rent, like a cabin. There's the Gunsmith, Texan Motel. Not sure you can stay in those or not. I don't see any numbers on the doors. That might be just for show. There's a barber shop. Let's see, it looks like in there, I think you can see a dude get his hair cut in there. Let's see here. Yep. There's the depot. Oh, that's also a cabin. I see number 8 on that. There's another place you can stay. They have a big pavilion right there. You can rent for the day. It's $50 for the day if you want to rent the pavilion. That right there is the old restrooms. They're closed now because they built some new nicer ones.
I believe there was a flood, and it flooded out the restrooms.
Yes, they did have a flood come through here, and it wiped out a big portion of this area. And they've since rebuilt quite a bit. And here's the old jailhouse they've built. Trust me, I'll do my best to stay out of here this weekend. But this, you can actually look inside and see things in here. Walk along, check these old buildings out. Like I said, you can't go in a lot of them. Some are open, some are not. Obviously this was blocked off. They're still in the midst of doing some renovations out here due to the flooding. And here's the new restrooms. Really nice setup. They named it the outhouse appropriately. Alright, so there's nobody in there, so we'll go check this out really quick here. So nice and spacious. Plenty of room for several folks. Got 3 sinks there to use. Got 3 toilets here side by side. Plenty of room to get your business done. Got a 4th one here for those that need the space, handicap and such. And urinals are all right here. That's the fire dock lane. And then here's a shower for handicapped folks to fit into. And here's another shower right here behind this door. And then another shower right here. So We got 3 showers, plenty of light. They ask that you please keep your hands to yourself and that you please remove your clothes. I'm assuming that's while you're in the shower and not walking around in here. But to each their own. Alright, let's go see some more of this place.
Okay, now that you've seen the men's restroom, now we're going into the girls' restroom, or the sitters' restroom. They've totally redone the inside. Absolutely gorgeous sinks. And there is your regular toilets. There's 1, 2, 3, there's 5 restrooms. And there's 3 showers, which are very, very, very nice. So yes, I would recommend this campground. It's very nice and clean, and it is handicap friendly. Okay, here what looks to be like a tree house, which it is, but it is also for the stage that you see in the background. So I am assuming that during the summers, or maybe fall, they have different types of events.
Yeah, I believe that treehouse looking thing is where they do their lighting. And then down below it, they probably have the sound equipment for
the stage.
Yeah, for whatever band or whatever's happening.
Okay, and as Harold mentioned earlier, here is the pond or the lake, and you can see where there are cabins, and you can also bring your RV. And there's a platform you can swim. But I think what's really cool is all those houses in the background are rentals. So if you have a large family or a large group of friends that want to have fun, get together, this would be perfect. As we were walking, we were taking the ZZ for a walk, we stumbled across this little area. It was like, this is so cool. Looks like they have a little train that comes through. Maybe they still do, I don't know, during the summer. Or maybe the fall. So we were just walking up and, oh, this is so cool. How they have all these little buildings nestled in.